Hey creators, it's Jomel here. Okay, did you see all those videos that sent us into a panic about the new YouTube changes? Let me just say this. AI is not the enemy of creativity. If you don't already know, it's our superpower.
Yeah, I saw those scary videos too. The ones screaming that YouTube is shutting down or demonetizing all AI content. And I'll admit, I had a tiny freak out moment myself. But take a deep breath because I'm here to bust the myths and show you how to use AI the right way to build amazing monetized channels, even if you're faceless.
So here's the real deal. On July 15, 2025, YouTube updated its partner program. They renamed repetitious content to inauthentic content. But this isn't actually a new rule. It's just a clearer way to say don't spam, low-effort, copy-paste, AI-generated junk. Do create something original, valuable, and authentically you.
This isn't about banning AI, it's about banning laziness. If you're grabbing someone else's clips, barely editing them, and uploading hundreds of videos with zero commentary, yeah, that's not gonna fly. But if you're adding your voice, your story, your unique spin, you're golden. And here's something important. This doesn't change YouTube's existing rules on reuse content. You can still do compilations, reaction videos, and remix content. Just make sure you're adding your own voice, style, or insight. Now here's the good news. AI is absolutely welcome, as long as you use it intentionally. Want to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs? Go for it. Just make sure it reflects your personality and purpose. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Let me give you examples of content YouTube loves. For faceless creators, create AI visuals plus your storytelling. Perform AI research plus your opinions and analysis. Generate AI voiceovers plus your custom script. And design AI thumbnails plus your branded flair. For all creators, create reaction videos with AI prompts plus your genuine reactions. Make educational content powered by AI research, plus explained in your style, and compile compilations with smart editing, plus your narrative flow.
AI that helps? Go for it. No human touch? Not cool.
And about disclosure, you only need to label AI-generated content if it looks so realistic it could mislead people. But using your own cloned voice or visuals of your AI avatar, no need to flag that.
Here's the thing. YouTube isn't trying to punish creators. They're trying to protect us. All that generic, soulless AI slop was crowding the feed and making things harder for real creators like you. By raising the standards, YouTube is actually making room for creators who put in genuine effort. And guess what? Advertisers want you. They want to work with creators who are authentic, not anonymous bots pushing out 100 videos a week. This update actually means better ad rates and more brand deals for those who do it right. So, are you new to all this? Let me break it down for you, step by step. Step 1. Use AI as your creative assistant. You can use ChatGPT for ideas or outlines, then rewrite in your voice. Midjourney or DALL-E for visuals, then brand them your way. And AI tools for research, but make the delivery uniquely yours. Step 2. Add your human elements. Add your voice, even if it's AI generated, just write the script yourself. Add your opinions and personal experiences. Add your own editing style and creative choices. Add your audience connection. Respond to comments and build your unique community. Step 3. Document your process. Keep records of how you use AI tools. Show your creative process occasionally. Be transparent with your audience about your tools. Now, for my faceless freedom creators worried about this change, you're actually in a great position. Some of the most successful monetized channels are faceless. The secret? Personality without showing your face. Examples that work. Educational channels with animated explanations, plus your unique teaching style.
Commentary channels with engaging visuals plus your honest reactions. Storytime channels with AI visuals plus your personal storytelling. Tutorial channels with screen recordings plus your helpful explanations. Remember, your audience connects with your personality, not your face. And trust me, if you want to see what chaos looks like inside my beautifully neurodivergent brain, with all my multiple avatars and personalities tag teaming to bring you value, then smash that notification bell. You never know which version of me will show up with the perfect tip for your channel. Here's the truth. YouTube is not getting rid of or demonetizing AI-generated content or channels. And AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. The creators who succeed in 2025 and beyond will be the ones who master AI tools while keeping their human touch. You're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it. This policy change is actually YouTube saying, we want creators who use AI smartly, not lazily. And that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, Gen friends and Faceless fam, let's talk. Drop your favorite AI tool in the comments. What's working for you? What are you curious about?
And remember, everyone starts somewhere. Every AI-powered creator you admire today, they once opened ChatGPT and said, now what? The difference? They kept going. So smash that like button if this gave you clarity. Hit subscribe for more creator tips and tap the bell so you don't miss a thing.
Because the future of content creation is bold, faceless, AI-powered, and deeply human. And you are part of it. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep creating, and I'll see you inside AI.